ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like responses to a wide range of inputs by using algorithms. It was created by a company called OpenAI. ChatGPT is one of those rare moments in technology where you see a glimmer of how everything is going to be different going forward. I asked ChatGPT a few questions about WordPress to see how familiar the AI was with this CMS, and I have to say I was a little shocked at the detailed answers I got. Without wasting time, let's go to the questions and answers. What is WordPress?
WordPress is a content management system, CMS, based on PHP and MySQL that is used to create and manage websites. It is open source software that is free to download and use, and it powers millions of websites around the world. WordPress is known for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses of all sizes. You can use WordPress to create a blog, an e-commerce store, a forum, or just about any type of website you can imagine.
Well, that's a pretty solid answer. Now let's ask ChatGPT one of the most controversial questions about WordPress. What is the best WordPress theme?
It's difficult for me to say which WordPress theme is the best, as it really depends on your individual needs and preferences. There are many great WordPress themes available, so the best one for you will depend on the specific features and design elements you're looking for. Some popular options to consider are Astra, 𝗖𝗯𝗹𝗲, and 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Ultimately, the best theme for you will depend on the specific goals and requirements of your website.
ChatGPT gave very good explanations, but the themes it introduced are probably not the best. If I had to choose, I would probably choose 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, Cadence, Astra, and GeneratePress. I would also like to know the name of your favorite themes. Please write it in the comment section. What is the best WordPress hosting site?
There are many different options for WordPress hosting, and the best choice will depend on your specific needs. Some popular options for WordPress hosting include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. It's important to carefully consider your website's specific needs and choose a hosting provider that can support them. It may also be helpful to read reviews and compare prices before making a decision.
Good answer. I will put the link to these hosting providers in the description section so that you can check them out if you want. What is the best WordPress security plugin?
There are many WordPress security plugins available, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. Some popular options include 1. WordFence. This plugin includes features such as firewall protection, malware scanning, and blocking of malicious traffic. 2. iTheme Security. This plugin offers a variety of security features, including malware scanning, two-factor authentication, and password expiration. 3. 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 Security. This plugin includes features such as malware scanning, website firewall protection, and security activity auditing. 4. All-in-one WP Security and Firewall. This plugin offers a range of security features, including malware scanning, user account security, and firewall protection. Ultimately, it's important to research and compare the features of different security plugins to find one that meets your needs and budget. It's also a good idea to regularly update and maintain your security plugin to ensure that your website remains protected.
Another good answer, of course. Considering that the issue of site security is serious, I only recommend the WordFence plugin, which, although a bit heavy, has already passed its test well. What is the best WordPress page builder?
There are many page builders available for WordPress, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Here are a few popular page builders that you may want to consider. 1. Elementor. Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to create professional-looking pages without any coding knowledge. It offers a wide range of pre-designed templates and widgets, as well as the ability to customize the design of your pages in great detail. 2. Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is another popular drag-and-drop page builder that is easy to use and offers a wide range of design options. It comes with a variety of pre-designed templates and modules, as well as the ability to customize the design of your pages. 3. Divi. Divi is a powerful page builder that allows you to create custom page layouts using a drag-and-drop interface. It offers a wide range of design options, including the ability to customize the appearance of individual elements on your page. 4. WP Bakery Page Builder. WP Bakery Page Builder is a popular page builder that offers a drag-and-drop interface and a wide range of design options. It includes a variety of pre-designed templates and elements, as well as the ability to customize the design of your pages in great detail. Ultimately, the best page builder for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. It may be helpful to try out a few different page builders to see which one you prefer.
I also recommend Elementor and 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, but Beaver Builder and WP Bakery are a bit old, and there are very modern and good alternatives for them. What is the best SEO plugin for WordPress?
There are many SEO plugins for WordPress, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs. Some popular options include 𝗖𝗧 all-in-one SEO pack, and Rank Math. It's important to do some research and compare the features of each plugin to determine which one is the best fit for your website. Additionally, it's always a good idea to read reviews and ask for recommendations from other WordPress users.
I used to use the very popular Yoast SEO plugin, but recently I switched to Rank Math. This plugin provides the user with very good features in the free version. I don't know much about all-in-one SEO pack. If you have used this plugin, don't hesitate to write your opinion about it in the comment section. In this channel, I will try to rid you of extra plugins and teach you how to add new features to WordPress without plugins. So if you are interested in such tutorials, be sure to subscribe.